In this video, I'll show you how to watch TikTok on your TCL Smart TV, whether it's running Roku, Android TV, or Google TV. Option 1. Use the TikTok TV app if available. For TCL Android TV or Google TV. 1. Press the home button on your remote. 2. Open the Google Play Store. 3. Search for TikTok TV. 4. Install the app and sign in to your TikTok account. Now you can browse TikTok videos right on your TV. Option 2. Use screen mirroring if TikTok TV app isn't available. For Android phones. 1. Swipe down and tap on Cast or Screen Share. 2. Select your TCL TV from the list. 3. Open the TikTok app on your phone. It'll show up on your TV. For iPhone, AirPlay. 1. Make sure your TCL TV has AirPlay enabled. Settings, Apple AirPlay. 2. On iPhone, swipe down and tap Screen Mirroring. 3. Choose your TCL TV. 4. Open TikTok and enjoy watching it on the big screen. Option 3. Use a streaming device. If you're using a Roku-based TCL TV and TikTok isn't available, use a Fire Stick, Chromecast, or Apple TV. Download the TikTok TV app on those devices and stream normally. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more smart TV tutorials.